Welcome to GHI Travel Adventures, and today we are visiting the historic Redruth Gaol in Burra. This jail was open from 1856 to 1894 and housed around 2,500 prisoners during its time. If you like this video or you've watched any of our others, please like and subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, but it actually helps our channel hugely. I hope you enjoy this video. I'm going to do a bit of a walk around and talk as I walk around, but also keep an eye out on the subtitles below, as it'll have some of the historic information about this beautiful place. So stay tuned. Just going to walk around to where the entrance is. This is one of the 11 what's called a keyed site, so you need an actual key which you can get from the visitor information centre, and that allows you into these sites so you can actually walk in and walk around, and also keeps them secure. Go around to the entrance. And here's where we get in. And over there in the distance is Heidi. That's the dunny, guys. Right out in the yard, exposed. Everyone watching you take a dump. Now these cells here would be the cells they used when they were filming the movie Breaker Morant. I'm thinking it's the actual one or two cells actually on the right. This would have been the exercise yard. Let's head inside for a look. At least it'll be a little bit cooler in here. Oh. Well, according to the sign here, this was actually a family home once as well. Very cool, but very eerie at the same time, I reckon. I'm going to say this was probably the kitchen. There's a ration scale over there on the back wall. This ration is only to such prisoners as perform the required amount of labour unless ordered by the medical officer. So you had to work for your supply. Hey there, how are you? go out the back here. See where we can get to. So these are the main front gates where you would have been brought in and I guess released from. This side. Here looks like it's a list of everyone that's been incarcerated here. Through this door we've got the Breaker Morant display, so let's have a look. So this display is all about actually the movie itself. A few movie posters, maybe some props that were used in the movie perhaps. It's very cool though. I'm not sure if there's anything outside here, but we'll have a look. Ah, yeah. So, this is just like a little courtyard. So we'll head back in because there is actually another section on the other side as well. Just make sure I lock all the doors on the way. It's in great condition for its age. Go to the side now. It's starting to show some age though, because look at those cracks. The prison's in great condition, although there is wear, cracks, this whatever's happening with the wall here, But I have noticed, I have seen since I've been here a few restoration projects happening. So there's one at the old Redruth courthouse, and there is one at the Burra railway station. So I'm sure this one will actually have some restoration done at some point to fix like little issues like that before they become big ones. Overall, really good condition. Beautiful place. Now, I'm going to say this will take me outside again. There's another yard here. I'd say these are all exercise yards. There's some more cells on this side. There's another outhouse through here. There's actually anything happening in there. No, looks like it's just more used for storage. This tree here, I don't know if this would have been here in the jail days, but I will have a look to see if there's anything about the history of it. There's more cells. I don't know if anyone was actually hanged here. That's something else I have to do a bit of research and find out. So I'm imagining if there were, they would have probably occurred in one of these outdoor areas. Not sure what's happening there. I don't know if there was maybe a building on this. We'll have a little bit of a look at the history and see if I can find anything on that as well. One thing there is no lack of around, for some reason up this area, is a lack of bloody flies. That one doesn't open. That is just back in where I was. I'm going to start the walk back around, back to where I started. Really awesome place, guys. I may actually even do a standalone video on this one, especially if I can find out a bit of the history. But get back inside. It's actually quite hot in this sun today. visitors. So this jail is actually on the Burra Heritage Jail. You pay basically $30 back at the information centre and a $50 deposit, and they give you a key, and there's actually 11 different sites you can visit, and this is actually one of them. I am visiting all the rest, so stay tuned for those videos from there. But I'm just going to head back out to the car now and head off to the next location. Absolutely stunning. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Absolutely beautiful. If you have some history or know someone, maybe ancestor or something that was here, comment below. I'd love to hear their story. Upstairs I couldn't actually get into, it's actually locked, so in case you're wondering why I didn't go up there, but that's alright. None of the cells actually here are open at the moment, they're all locked, so yeah, I'd say that's probably just to make sure they're preserved. Get some, unfortunately, you see, and you do see at some of these historical sites, you get goon bags that actually, you know, make graffiti and completely mess them up and absolutely destroy it, which is such a shame. But I think I'll sign off now because I'll head back to the car and head off to the next location. But thanks for watching. If you did like this video, like and subscribe. It doesn't cost anything and it may not seem like a big deal, but for small channels like us it's actually very valuable and it helps us create more content. So thanks for watching today, guys, and this is another GHI Travel Adventures video. Thank you.